Ndumiriri-ini ya thirikari kwitukira ministry ogima wa mwiri 117 arwaru 497 ni monikanite na murimu wa COVID-19 namba ino ari nene muno kwandikithio ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini ikirugamira arwaru 10,791 guku arwaru 5 magikua kumana na COVID-19 namba ya arwaru aria makwite kumana na murimu uyu ikirugamira arwaru 202.
480 are Kenyans while 17 are foreigners. 318 are male and 179 are female. The youngest is a 2-year-old child while the oldest is 89.
Kaunti ya Nairobi ni thite na mbere na guthinikirio kona-ini ni murimu wa COVID-19 iria rina arwaru 5,992. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ni ogima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi agiikia ritana kuri ikaria kaunti ino kuigiririka makiria niguo kuhitana na murimu uyu kaunti-ini ino.
And in the last 3 days alone, Nairobi has registered 518 cases, and this indeed is a worrying trend, and something must be done. It is important that the residents of Nairobi are alert and are able to act very quickly in terms of adhering to the containment measures.
Mwangangi ni ahithuritie uritu uria ukoretwo ho hari kurigita arwaru aria maranyitwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 na mari na mirimu ingi, akiuga murimu uyu ni wonanitie gukorwo na ndariri ingi iria cirahutia ngoro, higo, undu umwe na thakame mwiri-ini.
New evidence is emerging from across the world that this disease is actually a systemic disease, a disease that has effects on your heart, a disease that has effects on your kidneys, a disease that has effects when it comes to the clotting of your blood and the coagulation of your blood. And so you can imagine, in terms of critical ill patients, we're seeing a mixed picture.
Because of these underlying conditions, you find that these patients end up with multiple organ problems, leading to what we call multiple organ failure. So when the lungs begin to fail in sympathy, the kidneys also slow down, the heart slows down, and you require to support all these organs.
Kenya ni makoretwo makiamuka na guthutukania arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19 ona thengia ya amwe gukorwo makiona murimu uyu, undu uyu ugicungiriria aingi ao gwithema muingi.
We've seen people taking pictures, recording videos of ambulances and vehicles ferrying patients. We've received several social media forwards of people, depicting COVID-19 as a cause of different events in the community. And worse still, we've seen people even sharing pictures and videos of COVID-19 patients. And this has ended up leading to profiling of the infected people. And it's important that we know that this is highly unacceptable. We need to remember that coronavirus is a disease, and getting this disease is not a crime.
Andu 70 nio marekereirio kuma mathibitari-ini matiganite guku bururi-ini riri ukui wa ndege utanyitwo ugacokereria muthenya wa rucio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Wanjiru Waforo.